Hello guys, have you heard of Pani Podi, also known as the Indian Rennet flower? This tiny but powerful dried flower from the Vidania coagulans plant is packed with health benefits. It helps regulate blood sugar, supports digestion, purifies the blood, and is even used to naturally curdle milk for cheese making. To use it, simply soak 8 to 10 dried flowers in water overnight and drink it in the morning for its amazing benefits. You can also crush and add it to warm milk as a natural coagulant. Try this Ayurvedic remedy today and experience its natural healing power. If you want to buy Indian rennet flower dried, visit our website naturoherbs.com.